The art of the open-top Restomod. Some cars are built to be driven, while others are crafted to be worshipped. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are witnessing the fusion of both. Singer Vehicle Design has just revealed their latest masterpiece, the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. For the first time, Singer is bringing their reimagined philosophy to the open-top 964 Generation 911 with a limited run of just 75 units. This is a love letter to the 1980s, powered by modern engineering and a soul developed by the legends at Cosworth. Join me for a 6-minute journey into automotive perfection. Exterior, carbon fiber and retro soul. Visually, this build pays homage to the rare M491 turbo look of the mid-80s. Every body panel is replaced with ultra-lightweight carbon fiber, giving it a muscular, wide-body stance that hides its modern agility. Notice the Z-pattern folding roof mechanism, completely re-engineered for a sleeker profile and smoother operation than the original. One of the most striking details is the hood. It conceals a pair of retro-modern pop-up auxiliary lights, a nod to rally heritage that adds an unmistakable flair. Whether the roof is up or down, the silhouette remains flawlessly iconic. The heart, Cosworth engineering and 420 horsepower. The true magic lies beneath the rear deck lid. Singer collaborated with Cosworth to develop this naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six. It produces a staggering 420 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This engine is a mechanical marvel, featuring water-cooled cylinder heads and a redline that screams past 8,000 revolutions per minute. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission driving the rear wheels, it offers a visceral, analog driving experience that is nearly extinct in the modern era. It's not just fast, it's a symphony of air and water cooling working in perfect harmony. Interior and chassis, tailored precision. Inside, Singer's obsession with detail reaches its peak. From the Tangerine leather with stitched and burnished seams to the velvet corduroy seat centers, every surface is bespoke. But don't let the retro interior fool you. Underneath, the 964 chassis has been stiffened and equipped with electronically adjustable dampers, traction control, and massive carbon ceramic brakes. It features modern creature comforts like air conditioning, navigation, and CarPlay, ensuring that this analog beast is as refined on a coastal tour as it is sharp on a mountain pass. With only 75 units ever to be commissioned, the Singer 911 Carrera Cabriolet is more than a car, it's a historical artifact. It proves that with enough passion and engineering excellence, the past can be perfected. It's the ultimate expression of open-air freedom, reimagined for the most discerning enthusiasts in the world. I'm Ava, stay smart, stay passionate, and as always, blue skies ahead.